spins way too slow. 59 days just to make the day flow. Closest planet to the sun's bright glow, but its days drag on ever so slow. Days longer than the year, that's how Mercury appears. One orbit done, the sun stays high. The strangest days beneath the sky. Sunrise, sunset, then it rises again. The weird rotation breaks the rhythm, my friend. Extreme heat, then extreme cold. The world so strange, it never gets old. Days longer than the year, that's how Mercury appears. One orbit done, the sun stays high. The strangest days beneath the sky. One rotation takes 59 days, but Mercury orbits in just 88. So the sun can double cross your sight, making day and night all twisted right. 3 spin for every 2 orbits round. That's the strangest dance we found.